Hey everyone! Today we're diving into a fun bit of iPhone history and how much things have changed with the iPhone 16. Do you remember what came in the box with the original iPhone? Well, along with the phone itself, there was a stereo headset you could squeeze to control music, a 30-pin USB cable, a charging brick, and even a dock. Yep, a whole dock. And of course, those iconic Apple stickers and a cleaning cloth to keep your shiny new phone pristine. Fast forward to 2020 when Apple made headlines by dropping the AirPods and charging brick from the iPhone 12 box. According to Apple analyst Ming-Chi Kuo, this saved Apple a whopping $6.5 billion by 2022. And now, Apple is making another change, but don't worry, they're not pulling the iPhone itself out of the box yet. Instead, Apple's ditching the stickers. Yep, those famous Apple stickers you've been collecting since 2007. Gone. But here's a tip. If you really want them, you can ask for them at the Apple Store. Though, let's be real, most people are probably fine without them. A recent poll on X by John Gruber showed that about 62.5% of people are okay with Apple cutting the stickers to save some materials, while 37.5% want them to stay. Personally, I'd rather see the charging brick back in the box over some stickers. So what do you think? Are you missing those stickers, or do you agree it's time to let them go? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech updates.